Hey, this is 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐿 with 𝐒𝐔𝐁 Realty. I've got another great one today. We're in Hoover. This is the Lake Wilburn community. So if you don't know about that, we're on the west side of Hoover. This is really zoned Shelby County, but Hoover Schools. It's a great new build community. This is just recently built. This is the latest addition to the neighborhood. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, listed for $687,000. Again, just recently built, a little over 3,000 square feet. As always, if you haven't already, go and hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss any other episodes. All right, let's get into it. So you've got 1 bedroom downstairs, a master, and then all the other 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms are upstairs. You've got a garage right here, one of the garages. There's another one's back there. We'll go there in a minute. Dining room, kitchen's over here, the master is over here, and we'll go there in a second. But just look at this when you walk in. Fireplace, got your dining room space right here. Obviously you can see there's no garages through there. You got a little half bath right here. Mudroom space, laundry room right here. And that goes to your garages. It's a very good size bedroom. But one thing I'm the most excited to show you is this bathroom. Look at this. Now, doesn't that make a statement? Huge tub, it's as long as I am. Shower. That's good. Double vanities, you've got one closet right here, and then another one over here. This one's the bigger one, small one is in the bathroom. First bedroom. Shares a Jack and Jill with this bedroom. Okay, walking outdoors. They're not the biggest lots over here. So you can see where your neighbor is, and then another neighbor right here. But there's nothing behind you, so that's nice.